meet you, and thank you for having us today as your guest. And please tell us more about your company. What's the name of your company?
Our company name is Shantou Boshang Toy Company.
And what's the kind of product do you have?
Our main products is our remote control cars.
Which year were you born?
Our company was born in 2014.
And you already export. Which are your markets?
Middle East and North America and other districts.
So America and Middle East.
Yes, these are our best popular
Can
products.
we take one?
This is our miniature, and it's a small bedroom.
Oh, they can make it by themselves.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And you have many rooms, not just the bedroom. You have many different kind of
kitchen and stove. This is another best seller. This is more game. It can for children education entertainment.
What do you do with the product? Ah, okay.
But
they can play with this one.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the minimum order quantity, the MOQ?
The quantity is 4,000.
So they can purchase, the minimum order quantity is 4,000 products. And
this is our new products. It's AI speech intelligence educational building blocks, and we can show how to work.
Yes. How does it work? Wow. So can you tell us more about this?
This is a circuit knit. It turns complex circuit knit into a simple puzzle. It's for children's educational and intelligence enlightenment. Yes.
So this is a new product?
Yes.
And which kind of certification do you have for your product? So they do have several certifications that I can send you and show you if needed. You can contact them with this. You have 2 phone number, and there is also the website. You can check it out, the website, and the email is boshang toys@163.com, or you can add them on WeChat.